Hello, I'm Bo Molai, Chief Technology Officer at Gold Systems, and I'm excited to have an opportunity to tell you about our product today, Vonetix 7 Voice. Based on Microsoft Lync 2013 and UC May 4, Vonetix 7 Voice is a UC-enabled interactive voice response system, or IVR. While there are several ways to provide very simple, menu-driven voice interfaces, if you need a data-rich, enterprise-grade contact center IVR, Vonetix 7 Voice has you covered. Vonetix 7 Voice is a Microsoft UCMA4 based platform upon which we create and run unified communications voice applications. We model our applications as data in a database rather than code in a library, which gives application creators and maintainers enormous flexibility in application management. I'm going to do two quick demos for you today. The first one is an audio-only example of what an IVR application is. Gold Systems applications handle the Microsoft Xbox support line in North America, and what you're about to hear is a fun sample of what we can do with an interesting persona on our platform. If you're a Halo player, you may recognize some of the voices here in a moment.
Welcome to the Xbox Helpline. I'm here to help you search the Xbox databanks for technical help and answers to common queries.
We need tactical Marines here ASAP. Gunny, get out!
Stand down, Sergeant. We don't even know what we're dealing with yet. First, what type of system do you have? Xbox or Xbox 360?
Speak up, soldier. What are you working with over there? Xbox or Xbox 360?
Xbox 360.
A fine piece of hardware, locked and loaded.
Thanks, Sarge. Okay, what can I help you with? You can say things like game hints, tech support, or frequently asked questions.
My Xbox won't turn on.
Okay, you need tech support. And it sounds like your system has a power problem.
Is it plugged in?
Sarge, why don't you let me handle this one?
I'll go ahead and end that call, which the caller will normally proceed through in order to get their issue resolved. That's an example of an IVR application, and of course you've heard of and used these kinds of applications in other scenarios like banking for account balances and transfers, checking on the status of your flight, seeing if a package has been delivered, and so forth. These are the kinds of applications that Gold Systems has been doing for 20 years, but what excites us about Vonetix 7 Voice, built on Lync 2013 and using UCMA4, is that now we can provide an entirely new experience to both the end customer and the companies that they're calling. In our next demo, we have a caller calling into a contact center to check on the status of their support ticket that they've previously opened. They've already spoken with an agent once, and normally they'd be routed to the next available agent in the queue who has no idea why they're calling. In our case, we'll show you how UC enabling an IVR allows us to treat that caller a little bit differently. Let's get started.
You have reached the Gold Systems Vonetix 7 technical support line. Are you calling about the open support ticket associated with your telephone number?
Yes.
This issue has been escalated for special handling. Let me see if the person you last spoke with is available.
So here you see we have a Lync 2013 toast. The agent is on another call at the moment, and their Lync presence is showing as such. So what they're going to do is send an instant message back to the caller who's on the line waiting to speak with them. If the caller had opted to drop to voicemail or advance to another agent in the agent pool, they could of course do that, but for the purposes of our demo, we'll go ahead and have the agent respond to the caller via instant message and see what happens when the agent finishes up here in just a moment.
The agent handling your support ticket is unable to take your call, but they have the following message for you. They say,
"Hi, Tom. I am on another line, but I have the information you need, and I will call you back on your mobile in 3 minutes. Thanks."
So instead of sending the caller to the next available agent, Vonetix 7 Voice and Lync 2013 can get that caller to the last agent with whom they spoke. And if that agent is busy, as you saw in this demo, we can provide an even richer response to the caller and the agent the tools that they need to deliver a great customer experience to that caller. That's Vonetix 7 Voice in a nutshell, and it's only the beginning of what a UC-enabled IVR like it can provide. Thanks very much for taking the time to listen in today, and I hope we've given you a few ideas about how Microsoft Unified Communications and Gold Systems Vonetix 7 Voice can change the way your business interacts with its customers.